Hey guys, I just got this speaker set and it comes with a subwoofer from Amazon. I'm just going to show you guys first off the unboxing, then the installation. After that I'm going to go over the buttons and the features and stuff like that. And yeah, so let's get into it. So here we go. As you can see, this one has RCA lines which will connect into the subwoofer. On the front we have a bass control dial as well as a volume control. And then on the back you'll see the two lines where you put the inputs for the RCA lines. And then in the back you got a 3.5mm jack as well as a USB cable for plugging it in. This one looks like it actually came with a warranty card. So that's also a really nice feature that they threw in. But I'm going to get this set up and then I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like. Alright guys, so I just got it plugged in. All you have to do is put the RCA lines in the back, and then I have it through the 3.5mm jack on the front of my computer. You can also use the USB, just plug it in wherever you think is best. After that, I went into Windows, hit Manage Audio Settings, and set the speakers to the default sound system. And then after that, you can just play your music, and it should come through these. I'll show you guys the volume and just how loud it can get. So as you guys can see, it can get pretty loud. The sound is great. I was actually very surprised with how good it sounds. Yeah, definitely good. But thanks for watching.